Great day, everyone! In this video, I will be sharing with you our Reman Detailed Compensation Plan. I am Krisha Pilapil Franch and I've been in this industry for 15 years already. I started doing this when I was 15 years old. Last pandemic was our greatest breakthrough dahil dito namin na-build ang aming community, which is Queen Boss Society and King Boss Club, with a mission to help more women and gentlemen to achieve financial freedom through personal development. And in span of 5 years, we developed more than 65 millionaires, and we're excited to do that here in Riemann also. We just joined Riemann last August of 2025 nung nag-pre-launch sila dito sa Philippines. And since then, we achieved and hit the team leader rank, the first ever team leader here in the Philippines. Kaya I'm so excited to share this journey with you, to share kung ano yung nakita ko sa Riemann and how generous our compensation plan is. So, are you ready? Kasi kung ready na kayo, ready na rin ako. And let's start with our Riemann Global Compensation Plan. Riemann has 6 ways to earn. So, meron po tayong 6 ways to earn sa Riemann. And isa-isa natin siyang itatackle for today. First is the retail commissions plus bonuses. Dito sa Riemann, naka-base yung retail profit mo based on your rank. Kaya napakamahalaga for you to level up, for you to rank up and speed up your rank pagkapasok mo pa lang. So may tinatawag na planner. Ito ka or ito tayo pagpasok natin sa Riemann upon enrolling sa ating sarili nating mga websites. And then yung next ranks are manager and senior manager. Ibig sabihin, these are the ranks na lock in for life. Meron kang 20% as manager and 30% as senior manager. Ibig sabihin nito, ito na yung magiging lifetime na retail profit or retail percentage mo once na ma-hit mo yung rank na yon. And then we have 40% for the team leader, 42% for director, 43% for senior director, and 44% for national director. So for example, this dermatology cream, which is this sold 40 million bottles, 40 million jars sa Korea, which is sobrang mahal ng lahat. Ang cost nito is, let's say, nasa 3,900 or 3,800 pesos. For example lang. Kapag ikaw ay planner, ang income mo dito ay around 230 pesos. Kapag ikaw ay manager, ang income mo dito is 470 plus pesos. Kapag ikaw ay senior manager, ang income mo dito ay 715 pesos. Kapag ikaw ay team leader, ang income mo dito ay 954 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, nagbabago yung retail profit mo at umaangat siya ng umaangat as long as umaangat rin ng umaangat yung rank mo. Okay? So, yun yung retail commissions natin. Once you hit or you achieve 2,000 SP ng customer volume, sa buwan na yan, bibigyan ka pa ng additional top retailer bonus na tinatawag which is additional 5%. So if you're a manager, additional 25%. If you're a senior manager, additional 35%. And kapag ang volume ng customer orders mo ay na-reach mo ay 4,000 SP, additional 10% naman siya. Okay? So itong top retailer bonus, ibibigay siya monthly. Yung base rate mo na retail commissions na 10%, 20, 30, 40%, ibibigay naman ito. So your effort, parang same effort siya, pero different income kasi nag-level up ka. Kaya aim to achieve senior manager agad and then team leader and then going to director. So kami, I'm so excited to become a director and up, di ba? So that's the first way to earn, which is the retail commissions plus bonuses if you just wanna focus on getting customers or just selling the product. And then, ito naman is the rollover volume. Ibig sabihin, syempre, minention na natin yung manager and senior manager and team leader rank. So, paano mo siya ma-achieve? You just need to have 3,000 SP in 3 months for manager, 6,000 SP for senior manager, and 50,000 SP for team leader. Lumalabas siya na kapag, let's say, manager, 3,000 SP, sa kits na available natin ngayon sa Philippines, dalawang 90,000 na kit. Sa senior manager naman, 4 na 90,000 na kit. So, and sa team leader, this is around, let's say, 3 to 4 million sales in 5 months. So, ibig sabihin, sa manager, you have 3 months to achieve your rank. Sa senior manager, you have 3 months to achieve your rank. Sa team leader, you have 5 months to achieve your rank. So, dun nagre-range yung sales na kailangan mo for you to achieve that rank. So, madali lang naman siya. Pwede mo siyang kunin through planner kits or pwede mo siyang kunin through customer orders. Then, ito yung mga kailangan nating tandaan when we're doing the Riemann business. SP means sales point and BP means business point. So, yung SP, ito yung nagko-contribute sa iyong rank advancement. Yung business point, dito naman kino-compute yung commissions natin. This is the second way to earn, which is the uni-level commission. So, itong uni-level na to, you just need to have 1,000 SP at least every month and to enroll 10 customers or 10 lifetime customers. So first level, for example, if you're a planner, you will get 5% on your first and second level sa total SP nila, sa total volume nila. Same with manager. Sa senior manager naman up to fourth level. So you have a total of 16% na makukuha sa uni level based sa sales point ng buong team mo, buong group mo up to fourth level. If you are a team leader, up to sixth level naman siya. Okay? Ito yung total SP. And then if you reach the rank of director, hindi lang siya hanggang 6th level kasi after the 6th level, meron ng tinatawag na third way to earn which is the leadership override. Kapag director and up na, which is sa Infinity, you have 2%, 3%, and 4%. Plus, the fourth way to earn which is the revenue share. You have additional 2 points, 7 points, 12 points na ibinibigay every month for directors and up. This is our second, third, fourth ways to earn dito sa Riemann. And then, for example, we're talking about uni-level. And let's just say, meron kang 3 planners na nagme-maintain ng 1,000 BP every month. Nag-duplicate. So, yung 3 mo, nakahanap ng 3, then nakahanap ng 3, nakahanap ng 3, just 1,092 planners, you can earn $33,000 kung 1,000 BP per planner yung minemaintain nila. Imagine, this is group sales. Let's just say 10% of the success lang yung ma-achieve. You still have $3,300. That's around 200,000 pesos sa atin. Eh what if double yung success? Hindi lang 1,000 BP yung na-achieve ng mga planners natin, meaning you can earn $66,000 in a month. So, amazing, di ba? Or kung hindi man siya in a month, let's say in 2 months, in 3 months, pero once you do the duplication, once you decided to grow your team, malaki talaga yung commission. And this is the power of team building in uni-level. Then, the fifth way to earn, which is the leadership match. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-favorite ko because this is a win-win situation for all of us. Once you decided to help other people, the company will reward you because of helping others. So, dito sa leadership match, generation commission match naman. Kung kanina sa uni-level, per level, yung ibibigay sa'yo na commission, dito naman, your generation of team leader. And magi-start din yung leadership match, of course, kapag team leader ka na. That's why we need to achieve the team leader rank. Aside sa 40%, meron ka pang leadership match bonus. A leadership match, okay? So, paano yun? If you're a team leader, hahanapin ng system yung first generation of team leader mo din. And then, you will get 40% from her paycheck. Except yung paycheck niya sa leadership match, okay? So, for example, if I am your first generation of team leader and I earned 1 million pesos this month, you have 400,000 pesos na income sa leadership match. And then, if I have someone in my team, which is your second generation and my first generation, kung kumita siya, let's say, na 100,000, I will earn 40,000 and you will earn additional 20,000. Okay? So, sa team leader, meron siyang total of 70%. Grabe. Leadership match. And for director, up to 4th level, senior director, 5th level, and national director is 6th level. Kaya nakakatuwa itong leadership match na to kasi as long as you're growing your team, you're helping them to achieve their goals, matutulungan ka rin nila. Matutulungan ka rin ng company to achieve your goals, di ba? So, win-win lang talaga siya. This is one of my favorite na part ng compensation plan natin. And then, lastly is the open group way to earn natin. So, open group meaning kapag ikaw tumataas na rin yung rank mo, may meron ka pa ring percentage aside sa uni-level sa organization mo. So, ito yung tinatawag na differential pay from your team. So, for example, lagi natin tatandaan yung base pay natin kanina. Planner is 10%, manager is 20%, senior manager is 30%, team leader is 40%. Okay? And then, so on and so forth. So, for example, you are a team leader. Okay, you have 40% base pay. And then, meron kang planner, okay, within your organization. So, that is 10%. Okay, 10% si planner. 40% ikaw na team leader, less 10% is equivalent to 30%. Yung 30% ng SP niya, meron kang income doon from the open group. Okay? So, for example, senior manager, ikaw team leader, you have 40%. Senior manager, meron siyang 30%. 40% less 30%, 10% ng SP niya, ayun yung income mo sa open group. Okay? What if parehas na kayong ng rank? May breakaway ba ito? 0-0 na ba? No. Ang lowest na ibinibigay ng company is 5%. So for example, you're a team leader, 40%, may team leader ka. Sa baba, ang gagawin na, ililipat na siya sa check match, yung kaninang way to earn. Kapag team leader to team leader, ililipat ka na dito sa leadership match. Pero for example, meron kang senior manager, parehas na kayo ng rank, let's say senior manager and then senior manager, meron ka pa ring 5%. Yun yung pinakamababa na ibibigay sa'yo. So, pinag-uusapan natin dito is the total sales point ng group mo sa organization mo. 'Di ba? Ang saya kasi team effort talaga siya. And then, ito yung summary lang naman, rankings natin and sa compensation plan natin. So, if you're a planner, your base pay is 10%. Ang kinakount dyan is yung personal BP mo, retail commission, first level BP mo, and of course, yung sponsor commissions mo. Then, sa manager, 20 to 30% kasi depende kung makakapag-top retailer bonus ka. For you to rank up sa manager and senior manager, binibilang lang dito yung first level mo. Okay? So, for example, sa manager, your goal is to achieve 3,000 SP. Meaning, first level na 3,000 SP mo yon. It's either direct planner mo or customers mo. Then, ganun din sa senior manager, it's either direct mo or customers mo. So, dito naman, 6,000 SP in 3 months for you to achieve the senior manager rank. And meron ka rin team incentive, unlimited levels, 5% SM group. Okay? Then, sa team leader, 40 to 50%, 40% base pay, additional 5 or 10% sa top retailer bonus. Dito, when you're achieving team leader rank, hindi na sa first level lang magbe-based. Yung buong organization mo na siya. And meron kang 3 generation of leadership match. You just need to achieve 50,000 SP in 5 months to hit the team leader rank, plus 3 senior managers or higher sa different lines mo. So, ibig sabihin, what if meron kang isang line na 3 yung senior manager, kailangan sa iba't ibang line mo siya ma-achieve, yung senior manager mo. And for you to enjoy the commission as team leader, you just need to have 10,000 SP every month. And madali na to kasi once you grow your organization, hindi mo naman na mapapansin na na-achieve mo na talaga yon. Plus, of course, 5 customers. Then ito naman, for the director, for the senior director, and for the national director, ito yung mga requirements. So now, the question is, how can you rank up to senior manager faster with the premium kit? So premium kit right now here in the Philippines is the 90,000 pesos. We have other kits na 65,000 and meron din tayong starter kit na 21,000. So let's talk about, let's say, premium kit na 90,000, which is 1,500 points. You just need to enroll 4 people to achieve the senior manager rank. Okay? Or pwede, sa 4 people din kasama ka na. 1 sa'yo under your planner account and then 3 sa first level mo. So you already achieved 6,000 points. Congratulations, you're a senior manager. If yung i-market mo naman is the 65,000 pesos, which is the 1,000 points, anim nun, you will achieve the senior manager rank. If you will market the 21,000 pesos or the 300 points, you will be needing 20 people to achieve the 6,000 points. Okay? Kaya mas madali siya actually if you will market the premium kit, which is the 1,500 points. months. And then, why lock in as soon as possible? It's because pag na-lock in mo siya, get 6,000 in volume as fast as possible to triple your income and lock in 30% for life. Kasi sayang naman, same effort, different income. Kaya we really advise and we really push everyone to achieve senior manager as fast as we can, as fast as you can, para mas ma-enjoy mo yung mas malaking income din. Okay? So for example, ayan, so a planner, you just need to enroll 1,500 SP Business Kit, you will be achieving manager rank. And if you're already a manager, enroll ka lang ulit ng additional dalawa, you will be achieving, syempre, the senior manager rank. Okay? So ito yung mga pwede mong kitain. And for you to achieve fast track to team leader, you need to build wide for the profit and build depth for stability. Ibig sabihin, you will not just settle to one planner, two direct planners, three direct planners, as many as you can. Okay, build wide talaga. So for example, for you to become a team leader, you need 50,000 points. You just need to promote 3 senior manager and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 managers. You already hit the team leader rank. Okay? So meaning while you're going wide, you're going deep also for stability. Yan. So the company only requires 3 legs to rank advance. So ibig sabihin, kahit yung isang leg mo meron na siyang 4 na senior manager, hindi pa rin siya ma-account, kailangan 3 legs na merong 3 senior manager. So this is just the summary on how you can achieve and rank up sa manager, senior manager, team leader up to national director. And if you want to know the 3 ways how you can earn $20,000 per month or 1 million pesos in 1 month, okay? First, you can do retail. Okay, 40,000 BP per month. As a team leader, it can give you 1 million pesos in 1 month. Second, team building. If you have 50 people na merong 10 customers na nagpa-purchase ng 300 BP in team leader open group, you already earn $20,000 or 1 million pesos. And then third way is the leadership match. Help one first generation leader to make $50,000 in team commissions. You will earn 20,000 leadership match bonus from one way to earn pa lang. Okay, so meaning these 3 ways to earn 1 million pesos per month or $20,000, it only shows that it's possible here in Riemann. Once you do it right, once you do it fast, and at the same time, once you do it consistently. Kaya we are really excited to welcome you on board, and we are really excited to be sharing this journey with you. Kasi what we have here in Riemann is not just another extra income, pero extraordinary income talaga. We're doing this not just to market the products, not just to market the company, but really to help more people. Imagine, ilan sa kakilala mo yung nangangailangan ng ganitong klaseng income? Ilan sa kakilala mo yung nangangailangan ng products natin? Ilan sa kakilala mo yung naghahanap ng ganitong klase ng opportunity? Or baka ikaw mismo sobrang kailangan mo ito. Okay? So that's it for our detailed compensation plan. So I hope nanlinawan na tayo kung paano ba kumita dito sa Riemann. Rest assured, once you do this business right, once you do it consistently, maganda talaga yung reward na ibibigay sa atin. And now that launch na siya sa Philippines and mag-expand pa tayo sa Europe, sa 2020, ngayong 2025 and 2026, gawin talaga natin to. Let's do this for our family. Let's do this for ourselves. And once na nakita mo na to, huwag mo na siyang papalagpasin kasi baka may iba pa na mag-alok sa'yo or may iba ka pang makita na maging successful dito na dapat sumabay ka na. So again, congratulations! This is Krisha Pilapil French, your first team leader here in Riemann, Philippines. God bless us all. Thank you!